right, how can we get more tokens? Let's say we're amateurs or even Google AI Studio Pros, okay? Or, well, proms engineers, whatever you prefer, right? And you've used up the million tokens that reset, and because it does reset, you know? Every day or so it resets and your tokens are replenished. And let's say you need more than that. Well, you have the option to pay for this plan, okay? This is mainly focused on the API, alright? Not so much for general use. For the API, we have this free plan with rating limits, got it? But if we want to continue, we pay per million tokens and they show the costs. This is how we see the costs. Depending on the model, it'll be more or less expensive, as we can see. But really, for a million tokens, I think it's cheaper than TGPT. I think it's pricier than DeepSeek, right? I haven't tested how this API works, you know, because for that you need a bit more. Well, you don't need much coding know-how, but you do need a decent budget to run an API app without breaking the bank, got it? It's true we're getting closer to super cheap models like DeepSeek. I've used DeepSeek's API and I can tell you it's dirt cheap. It generates tons of tokens and I haven't spent $1 yet. It's crazy, I've used it a ton, you know? I've used it for like 2,000 pages or something, right? And still it hasn't cost me again. Well, I didn't check, but maybe I spent $1.50 or so, okay? Pages, full pages. With GPT, $1.50 wouldn't get you far, right? So, well, that's the cost breakdown. If anyone wants to test it, everything's up in the air right now, okay? Not sure if I'd use this API, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT, depends on each one's needs, so yeah.